You don't want to miss this recipe I brought especially for the Very Okay channel. It's a delicious recipe that can easily replace rice and is simple to make. Even if you're not an expert at cooking rice, I will teach you this easy and nutritious recipe. I'm sure you'll be eager to try it, especially if you're on a diet. It's a light recipe that can be combined with various dishes and other recipes. So, let's get started. But before starting the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, leave a like, and share. This way, you help us grow and bring delicious recipes with plenty of health and quality information to Very Okay. For this recipe, I have approximately 1.1 kilograms of cauliflower. Yes, we will replace rice with cauliflower. This recipe is fantastic, and you'll also benefit from it being highly nutritious, especially for a lighter and tastier meal. With the help of a knife, let's cut the cauliflower like this. Usually, I cut the ends and remove the middle part, which I won't use. After cutting and separating the ends, I will use this type of pot and steam the cauliflower. I've already added water to the pot, and this water will then steam my cauliflower. As soon as it starts boiling, I'll let it cook on low heat for 9 minutes. Don't cook it for too long, so the cauliflower retains an al dente texture and tastes closer to rice. While the cauliflower is steaming, I will continue the recipe, this time using garlic. I will crush the garlic to toast it and give it a special flavor. I'll set the garlic aside and chop the onion, using approximately half an onion. Add according to your preference. I'll set the onion aside for later use. To give it a unique flavor, I will use parsley, approximately 1 portion of parsley, to add more taste. I'll chop the parsley and set it aside for later. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel and leave a like so I can bring you much more content. Now I will use a large pot to facilitate the recipe preparation process, using coconut oil, which is much healthier and tastier. This coconut oil is special because it doesn't have a coconut flavor and is suitable for cooking. I'll leave a link in the description if you want more details. Oh yes, we also have a video about coconut oil on the Very Okay channel. Now, I will toast the garlic, as this is one of my secrets for adding more flavor to this recipe. The amount of garlic you add depends on your preference. I love garlic, so I put in a generous amount. Now that I've toasted the garlic, I'll add the onion and mix well on medium heat. Do not cook at a high temperature. I've steamed the cauliflower, and it looks great. I didn't cook it for too long to keep it al dente. Now I will separate the cauliflower and chop it well. Yes, it's still quite hot, so I'll do it bit by bit. Besides its delicious taste, cauliflower looks a lot like rice. You can also remove this part if you want a flavor more similar to rice, but it's up to you. After chopping the cauliflower, I will finish the process. I have the pot here where I toasted the garlic and fried the onion. The pot is off, so I'll turn it on low heat and mix the ingredients. I will use a spoonful of turmeric, which is very nutritious and adds a special flavor. I will use a teaspoon of sea salt and black pepper to enhance the taste. The combination of black pepper and turmeric is excellent. I am cooking on low heat, which is just to mix the ingredients. There's no need to cook it for too long since the cauliflower is already done. Yes, the taste is fantastic, and now I'll add the parsley. It turned out great and looks a lot like rice. If you don't like cauliflower, I'm sure this recipe will change your mind. Or you can prepare it for your family and ask if they can guess what it is. This dish pairs wonderfully with meats, fish, chicken, and even soup. It's delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to the channel, share, and leave a like. We will be bringing you much more content with fantastic recipes and valuable knowledge to help you improve your cooking skills. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Very okay.